What's up everyone, and welcome to the Advanced Vape Supply YouTube channel. Today we're going to unbox the Molecule22 RDA. This is just a quick look at the box. It has our certified authentic holographic sticker. To open the box, you can grab this inner box and just pull it straight down. Inside of the box you will find the Molecule22 atomizer with the zirconia and silicon carbide crucible pre-installed. There's the T5 Torx driver, the stainless steel dab tool, and the coil box with the ceramic housing for the coils, as well as the extra O-rings, extra screws, and extra spring clips for the ESCC. Everything is very easy to remove from the box. There are these two open tabs on the side of the coil pack there to pull that out, and then you can grab the dab tool very easily, and the screwdriver very easily as well. And the Molecule22 is very easy to remove also. There's this ribbon pull tab that you can pull up to reveal the included sticker, and this is where the owner's manual will be once the updated parts are done. The first time you take your Molecule22 apart, it's possible that the ESCC or SICK crucible could come loose during shipping, so be careful that when you take it apart, just in case that this doesn't fly out or anything. Now you'll want to remove the styrofoam packaging that we put in there, and we do recommend cleaning with alcohol before first use with a cotton swab. Now I'm taking my finger just to make sure it's tight down all the way, which it is. So now I can install this on a mod, take a resistance reading, and use it. A little close-up view of the engraving. And with that, we will go ahead and conclude this video. And there you go.